Okay, so your skin is freaking out, feeling sensitive and irritated? Let's talk about how to fix it. Does this sound a little too familiar? That feeling when your skin is just angry at everything? Well, it's a huge sign that your skin's protective shield, its barrier, is compromised. When you get stinging and breakouts at the same time, that's your skin waving a giant red flag. So let's get to know your skin's built-in bodyguard, the skin barrier. It's pretty amazing. This little bodyguard has 4 super important jobs that basically keep your skin calm and happy. See the difference? A healthy barrier is a fortress. A damaged one lets all the trouble in. So how do we get here? Well, culprit number 1 is often going way too hard on the exfoliants. You know that squeaky clean feeling? Yeah, that's actually you stripping away all the good stuff. And piling on too many strong ingredients at once can just totally overwhelm your skin's repair system. And of course, there's the outside world. The sun, wind, and even dry air all chip away at it. But here's the good news. The fix is simple. It's kind of boring, but trust me, it works. As you simplify, look for these ingredients. They're literally like new bricks and mortar for that skin wall. So your new routine looks like this. The morning is all about protection. Night is for sealing it in.
But listen, this takes time. You gotta be patient. Here's what you can realistically expect.
You're not really fixing it. You're just getting out of the way so it can heal itself. So, are you ready to go boring? Just simplify for a bit and let your skin do its thing.